Well, that wasn't a very good start. One morning, Otter was walking down the road. And it was a road that he'd walked down many times before. And as he was walking down the road, he noticed there was a big hole in the middle of the road. He'd never seen that hole before. But Otter thought, I should mind my own business and get on down the road. So he walked on by the hole. But as he went down the road, he stopped and he said, I sure wonder what was in that hole. Probably wouldn't hurt if I walked back and took a look. Otter! Otter! Yes? Otter, can you come back here? Why? I need help. Oh. I knew I shouldn't have looked in that hole. Oof. Well, I guess if I just move up a little bit, I could go back and take another look. What's the matter, Snake? There's a brick on me, and I'm all pulled down. Could you take that brick off? Well, to do that, Snake, I'd have to go down in the hole with you. I won't hurt you, Otter. I need help badly. I'm very pulled down. Oh. All right, Snake. So Otter was going to reach down in the hole, but he thought, wait a minute. There's probably something better I can do. And he looked up and he noticed that there was a dead branch hanging over the road. So he reached out and he pulled down the dead branch. And he got the branch and he poked and he poked and he rolled the brick off the Snake. Thank you, Otter. You're welcome. And Otter went back down the road. And Snake said, Otter, Otter. And Otter said, what? Otter, I need your help with something. Otter said, you do? Yes. What? Well, come back and I'll tell you. Well, I guess I could come back. What? Could you lift me out of the hole and put me on the ditch? I'm so cold down here, Otter. Very, very cold, and I need to be up in the sun. Could you do that? Otter said, sure. I have a stick right here, and I take the stick, and I'll pick you up, Snake, and I'll let you stretch out on the ditch bank where you can be nice and warm. Snake said, thank you. You're welcome. Otter, feeling very good about himself, went on down the road. And the Snake said, Otter, Otter, wait a minute. Otter said, what is it? What do you want? I took the brick off your back. I moved you up in the ditch back. What is it? What is it? What do you want? Tell me what you want. Otter, put me in your pocket. I'm still so cold. Put me in your... All right, I'll put you in my pocket. Come here, get in there. I have things to do and I need to get going. And come on down the road with me. And Otter went down the road. And the Snake wrapped himself around Otter's neck. And Otter said, wait a minute, Snake, what are you doing? What are you doing? And the Snake said, Otter, you knew I was a snake when you put me in your pocket.
I think you did very well, didn't you?
Thank you, Marj. I did better as we went along. Still wasn't, well, I did better. Thank you. I did much better with my breathing as you worked with me.
Oh, well,
So I
that's-
had more breath to
yes.
talk.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.